Page 41, I got that L'homme Armé, or whatever it is. I don't speak French. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I'm not even going to try. You can do that on your own. It's a very old French melody. I want to talk about the music. Look it over, it's 4 lines long. Treble and bass clef signs again. 3/4 time signature now. I see half notes and quarter notes, pretty much. Bunch of rests, of course. The hands are playing at the same time, so let's take it one hand at a time first to make sure we have each hand under control. We are moving around a little bit now. So the right hand starts here. And until you move, you don't need another finger number. So I don't need any more finger numbers on the first line. I can just stay right there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. Second line, first measure. During the rest, I come up to here, 4th finger on C, to rest, to, see, I'm staying up here. And to the last line, in the second measure, during the rest, there I come back down. Okay, left hand, let's see what it's doing. We're starting out here, second finger. It's the only finger number you need now until the 3rd line, because you're not moving until the 3rd line. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. Remember, a dotted half note is the same as 3 quarter notes. Here, the quarter note gets a count, so it's going to get 3 counts. That's okay. 3rd line down, during the rest, you got to come down here. 1, 2, 3. Have a G and a D together, and during those rests at the end of the line, 3rd line, you got to come back up here. And at the end, the last few measures, it's a C and a G together, like it was at the beginning. Put the hands together then. Well, we're here to start then. 1, 2, 3, 1, and then here, and then here, and here. Playing those together. I get my hand out of the way so you can see the notes better, but it really is to rest, to rest. Get the right hand. Anyway, you put the hands together and then go back over it slowly and carefully and work out the hesitations so it's a steady beat. You have to look down at the piano when you're moving your hands around. That's fine. But otherwise, you should be able to look at the music only. Once I've done that, then I add in the articulation. And here it's just the phrasing, and you have to lift up for the rest anyway. So just connect everything and lift up for the rest. The left hand at the beginning, they don't give you anything. Go ahead and just connect them. Now, when you go from the 3rd measure to the 4th measure, here, you have to lift up on these things because they're repeated notes. You got to lift up. And the right hand, I'm going to connect them. I'm going to connect it. So I'm connecting this, so I have to lift this up. Don't lift up one hand just because you lifted up the other. No. Connect the right hand. I'm pretending I'm connecting the left hand. I'm not, but I'm pretending I am. Then the dynamics. MF, mezzo forte, sort of loud. It's going to be the melody. And I think that's pretty much the right hand here. That means the left hand is soft. And go up to loud. That's the right hand. That's the melody. Just because the left hand is playing the same notes, the letter names, that doesn't make it melody. To me, you're just an octave apart. That's still harmony. I want the left hand out of the way. So it's the right hand. And up there. Now, sort of soft. Mezzo piano. 2nd line. The left hand is soft. Then go up to mezzo forte at the end of the line. Up to moderately loud. And this is a little louder. End of the 3rd line, last couple of measures, back down to moderately soft. The left hand is very soft. Then you end it loud in the right hand, the left hand's in the background. hear the right hand. Want to hear the melody. Takes control to play one hand louder than the other. I'm asking you to keep working at it. It comes in time. I know it's a struggle at first, but keep working at it. Once I have that and I think of the speed, they don't give us speed. I just somewhere in the middle then. I don't know. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 1. Feel these. 1, 2. Feel the natural accents as you're playing this. So once you can play it at least slowly with no hesitations, then come back to the video and let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs, so don't do the dynamics. Just the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts because there's 3 counts in a measure. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. 2, 1, 2, rest. 2, 2. 1, 2, rest. 2, 2. 2, rest. 2, 2, rest. 2, 2, 1, 2, rest.